Welcome to Peggy's homesteading adventures. Join Peggy as she welcomes the arrival of spring and experiences the beauty of renewal on her homestead. Peggy carefully tucks vibrant flowers into her garden beds, their blooms heralding the arrival of spring. Peggy joyfully welcomes baby chicks, lambs, and kid goats, a lively addition to her homestead. With gentle care, Peggy introduces honeybees to her homestead, grateful for their role in pollination. Surrounded by eager faces, Peggy explains how seeds grow into plants, sparking wonder and curiosity. Using sturdy poles and twine, Peggy builds a trellis for her peas and beans, guiding them skyward. Peggy stumbles upon a secret meadow filled with colorful wildflowers, a treasure trove of nature's beauty. Peggy and her neighbors join forces to tidy up their community, planting trees and clearing trails. Peggy transforms her fresh harvest into a delightful farm-to-table dinner, shared under the stars. Peggy carefully frees the frightened fawn from the fence, its grateful mother watching from a distance. With arms outstretched, Peggy twirls in the rain, feeling renewed and alive in the springtime downpour. Happy spring, everyone! Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more of Peggy's homesteading adventures.